Many times we make mistake of choosing the wrong set of people around us. And it's not just with you, it's with everyone. Somewhere down the line we regret that we made mistake of choosing the wrong set of people in our life, and that's why our life is now something different. If we chose right set of people around us, our life would have been different. And do you know, everyone is on the same page. Somewhere down the line we all chose the wrong set of people in our life. But how to correct it? Definitely there's a way. If in case you ask me that how to choose the right set of people around us, definitely there's an answer. So listen to me very carefully. If in case you are here till now, watch the video completely. Definitely today something beautiful you'll learn, and at least you'll know how to choose the people around you very wisely. So the only solution which I'm going to provide is always choose people, those who have something to offer you. Listen to me very carefully. Always choose people, those who have something to offer you. Now something to offer you, if in case I elaborate, it will be wisdom, knowledge and power. So always welcome people in your life, those who have something to offer in terms of knowledge, wisdom and power. And you will know, you will self-realize that this person in front of me is capable of offering me something or not. If in case not, if in case you're not gaining anything from them, leave it or change the circle. Because life is all dependent on the circle we belong in. So if in case we choose good circle, our life will be good. If in case we choose bad circle, our life will be bad. If in case we choose circle which can offer us something, we'll be knowledgeable, our life will improve. If in case the circle cannot offer something, then definitely you will be at the losing side. So it is your choice. Definitely you know the answer. You know how to choose people wisely in your life. You also know that whether these people will offer you something or not. And you also know the people around you are good or bad. So always choose people wisely. And if in case they are offering you wisdom, power and knowledge, accept them, learn from them. Definitely they'll take you to a different way. But if in case they're not offering anything, leave them right there. I hope you like the video. I try to be as elaborate as I can. And these are very small tips on a very small scale to improve your life. I hope you watch the videos regularly, and now I'm getting comments as well that they are liking the videos, so it feels very good, and I'm very blessed, and I thank all the support. Thank you for all the support. Today, if in case I tell you, we are 795 subscribers, so we are growing and I'm happy about it. Our family is growing. Make it 800 at least today, and 200 more to go for 1K. Focusing more on 1K because my plan is something after reaching 1K, because that live option will be available. So I'm planning that I'll be live to my crowd for the Q&A sessions, for live sessions, for everything. And definitely on a real-time basis, face-to-face, we'll be able to have a conversation with one another. And that is what I am waiting for 1K, because we'll add some features to our channel. So keep watching, subscribe to the channel if in case you're watching it for the first time, like the videos, and please improve the watch time hours by watching all the videos from the past as well. Thank you so much. God bless you all.